Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome is a concept that is both luxurious and rugged. An aggressive and rugged exterior. The exterior of this motorhome will be modeled after that of the Hummer H3, although it will be much larger. A massive, recognizable Hummer grille, modern LED headlights, and a sturdy front bumper will all be present on the front end. The body will be composed of composite materials that are both lightweight and robust, and it will be painted to withstand weather and scratches. Large windows with motorized sunshades and bulletproof glass will be incorporated onto the sides. The back will have an advanced taillight system, a foldable ladder, and space for spare tires. Interior: the driver's cabin will have a big touchscreen that is connected to the entertainment and navigation systems, ergonomic leather seats, and other cutting-edge technologies. The living area will have a cutting-edge entertainment system, an extending dining table, and leather couches that can be made into beds. There will be a refrigerator, microwave, electric stovetop, and other cooking gadgets in the kitchen. There will be a wardrobe, a personal entertainment system, and a king-size bed in the master bedroom. A potent V8 diesel engine paired with a four-wheel drive system will power this RV. With its adjustable air suspension, this RV will be able to traverse a range of surfaces, including rocky and even roads and smooth highways. Additionally, this motorhome will have an advanced winch system that will enable it to tow cars that are stuck. Having a huge gasoline tank will enable this RV to travel great distances without requiring frequent refills. This motorhome will be self-sufficient from outside energy sources thanks to a solar energy system that can be utilized to charge the battery. Additionally, this RV will be equipped with a satellite navigation system that will enable it to track the whereabouts of the car wherever it is. An advanced security system that includes motion sensors, surveillance cameras, and an alarm will be installed in this RV. Large, rugged off-road tires with beadlock rims. Maximum traction on a variety of terrain.